Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just coming at you with a really quick post review for another one of these Diamond Dotz small kits. This one is Patchwork Heart. Again, I got this one at Hobby Lobby. I paid full price this time, the $4.99 there, but super cute. Came with instructions. I'm not sure if this is the pin it came with, but it did come with a pin and a boat. And here she is. So, sorry about the lighting. I'm filming this kind of late. Anyways, but she is a stunner. I love her so much. There was 4 colors. I did not run out of any of the colors. It is 4, what is this? No, 12 by 12 centimeters, so like 3 by 3 inches. But yeah, there she is. I really like these ones. They take like 20 minutes or less, and they're just really fun. So that is it. I hope you guys are having a great day, night, whenever you are watching this, and until next time.